It was up, y'all. Happy Wednesday to you. Another day in the market. Happy hump day. Market was selling off. Now it is recovering. Didn't really see anything about what's going on. Maybe something was mentioned about gas or ending the war. Didn't really see no notifications about it, but we'll take this. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel. Also, even though it's green, got a good list. Tomorrow things can go back red. All right, man, urgent buys, urgent sales. If you watched the whole video on yesterday, which most of y'all probably don't, which is on you, in certain places you follow me, I give you the warning sign whether I'm about to get up out of them or not, but that's why I do the videos. If you watch the end of it, I was looking at USOI, got up to $61 and some change. I knew that it was the ex-dividend date. You see the 52-week high right here, $61.30. I sold at 61. It got up to 61. I sold at 60.91. You can see right here at 667 shares. I lost $8.18 because I had an average cost of like $60.96 or something. But I got out, took my losses. Gotta remember, I done had this stock for over like 5 years, so I made more than $8.18 on dividends. My average cost was too high. That's why I got out of it. I knew yesterday was the ex-dividend date. And then I sold the rest at $60.93, as you can see right here. We made $5.14 here. So if you offset everything, I lost $3 plus all the dividends that I received. All right, these are all the dividends I received since owning this stock. Last month was a good payout, $7 and something. I think 7.58 a share. As you see, I'm up. Total return, that's what you got to look at when you got these big dividend plays, these high yielders. They're not for growth, they're for income. So just for you to see that. So technically, like I say, I got out, I won. Let's say that. So got all that money back to reinvest. That's when I did sell. The day had a sell limit order on SBRA, came on through. Sabra Healthcare, as I told y'all, if y'all watch and listen to the videos, I'm operating lean on REITs and BDCs. This is a REIT. Anything wrong with this stock? No, it's not. Healthcare is the future. Healthcare, tech, and energy. So it was one to keep. Got a dividend coming in. Paying 30 cents a share. Had 30 shares. Got out of it. Actually got out of that 21.28. We got this is a 46% buy, 54% hold. I got out because of the dividend yield, 5.71%. Is this high? Yes, this is. And it's not risky. But I like risk. I like stuff like ORC, stuff that pay the double digits. That's what I like. I like to swing trade them too. This one is okay. Buy and hold one. I mean, something for you to have. My margin is at 5.05%, so 5.71. I'm not really winning with it. So it is what it is. I made some profit. Got out at 21.28. As you can see right here, made $266.65. Once again, like I say, if you listen to my videos, I say I'm going to do more swing trading this year. I'm going to still get my dividend plays. Not selling any of those, but I'm taking more risks. I'm swing trading, so that's what I'm doing. That was when I sold. Anything else? I did sell some of this today. Something different I'm trying. I have another position of Capital One in my Cash App portfolio. Got like 5 or 6 shares for the long haul. I went and brought, as you can see, I got 7.5 shares now at $182.40. Said I was going to do a swing trade on this. I went and brought 7.59 shares at 182.40. It got up to, I was up $29.43 for the day, 2% So I did scalp the $29. Sorry, man, trying to get down to it. I did sell $29 worth at $186.25. Go back to 182. I'm gonna put another 100, 200 at it. When it go back up 2 to 5%, I'm gonna scalp it. That's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna keep my other position for the long term. All right, let's get the trade, man. Another one, PSEC. I've been day trading this one in my Webull portfolio. I just sold some shares at 217 that I brought at 214, I want to say, the other day. This got down to 211 today. So go ahead and put your buy limit order at $2.11. So this is what I've been doing with this one, keeping my remaining shares as it is. 2.11. I've been getting 5 shares a day in this portfolio, just keeping it for the long run, long haul. I don't care about the dividend reduction. 3.5 cents a share a month for this stock is still a great income. When it goes back up, I will be selling because on its way back up with the market. Now, right now, I have 3,963 shares at 261. I want to sell my whole position. If this goes back to the 308 mark, I should have did it then, but I was greedy, get F. I was holding out to 313. But that's what happened in the market. You live and you learn. OXSQ. Let's see what this one doing. This got down to 110, 111. Now down to 108. I know they having a share dilution or something they were doing, but am I gonna buy at these prices? Yes, I am. Think it's gonna squeeze back up. I'm expecting a reverse stock split. If that happens, once it happens, I will put this on $1 a day recurring and just let it buy $1 a day and get my dividends every month. So that's what I'm looking at with OXSQ. LFT got down to 106, got up to 114. I brought some shares at 107, like 83 shares, but 73 shares. So selling those shares at 114. That's what it got up to today. The day high make me 7 cents a share. It come back down, But I did put a buy order in at 106. DISO, y'all know this pay out every week. Options on Disney. This like to touch the 980 mark and move back up to the $10 mark. Put a buy limit order in at 979, and I did at 982 today. I thought about swing trade in Disney also. I'm thinking about doing it. Day of swing trade. If I could just make me $7 a day, it go up $3, I'm gonna sell it, re-insert the following day, rinse, repeat. Sorry about USOI, we just did that first. That's just how it is on my list. FBY, options on Facebook, got down to 990. Just like to hit 993, 990, 986, and it shoots back up past the $10 mark. So I did buy a couple shares of that. Put your order in at 993, 990. This just pay out every week. Got 7.23 shares at 990. ORC, one of my favorites right about now. Monthly payers, especially where it's trading, going between the $6.70 and the $7 mark. $6.78 on its way back up. And they buy some more shares of that today. Got a dividend payment coming for $166.77. I brought a lot of shares in the last week. Averaging on down $7.07 I'm at. And need to put that buy limit order in at 670 again, just in case it touch it. I've been buying like 5 to 25 shares a day. Like I said, at these prices, this trade 24 hours. All the shares I just brought, when it get probably about 734, I'm going to sell them. You don't have to worry about not a reverse stock split, but another dividend cut from this share. Just from this stock, it just cut it. So with my knowledge of it, my opinion, you're going to be good for a couple years, as long as this trade around the $7 mark. All right, MSFO, Microsoft, they pick up some shares here today. Put a buy limit order, 5 shares at 1201. I'm going to make that 10. I'm going to do 25. I'm waiting on Microsoft to go back to that 430 mark. When this does, it's going to go back to around the 1287. $13 mark. I want to get me a good 1,000 shares of this. I'm at 1243. When it go up, I will sell these shares just in case it come down. Rinse and repeat. Don't know where this market going. Say we could be going into a crash. We're going to see, but I'm going to protect my capital. ABR go in at $5.68. 5 shares there. They reduced their dividend from 30 cents a share to 17 cents a share. Ticker FLO, Flowers Food. Another one that's a little risky, but no risky, no biscuit. They got down to $6.90. Put your buy limit order in there. 13.73% dividend yield. It's one of the top 3 risk off stocks that may explode. So I am buying it. TSCO, another one I just started. It just had a stock split. Tractor Supply Company, another one I will be buying. 2.99% yield. 52-week high is $63.99. 52-week low is $29.42. Definitely will be buying this one every day. Nike came down to, I like Nike at 42 and under, 41.84. Nike's on his way back up. I'm going to be selling some of this stuff I done brought. 3.82%. How Nike's China reset and leadership shift could reshape Nike investment narrative. Nike turns to Google AI to lift sales, but Nike stocks keep falling. Nike announces AI-powered shopping experience with Google Gemini. So, good time to have Nike. Well, especially you want to do it for a swing trade and make yourself some money. GIS, General Mills, $32.99. Going at that price. We'll get you some at market price. 7.23% yield. Nice safe dividend play there. Every quarter. HRL, another dividend king. $19.97. Go in there, 52-week high, 31.86. Will protect you from inflation, 5.71%. Dividend every quarter. XLF, financial sector ETF, I like $50.78. This one here going back up, 52-week high is 56.52. Meta. Definitely one you could be swing trading and stuff. I'm about to start a position right here. 597.81. About to be swing trading this one every day also. Like I say, I'm get 2 shares, 597.81. Just like today, if I had this set, it's at 605. I'd have been up. I would have sold it for the day and re-entered it. Rinse and repeat. That's what I'm about to start doing. Got a long-term hold with position in my Cash App portfolio. MSFT 411.30. I want to catch this at the lower 4s. I got a buy limit order placed at 402. I can even do about a 406. No, you can't go wrong with these stocks here. About to make money off other people's money. You could have brought that, say 406, sell at 417, like rinse repeat. That's all I'm about to be doing with it. ACHR got ARCA got down to 574. Put a buy limit order in for 5 shares there. Gonna buy 5 shares a day of this below that $6 mark. See, right now I'm at 619. for my average cost. Got LFT. Uber Finance, we did that already today. Hopefully that go by. Another one I have, Casey's General Store. This stock don't do nothing but go up. I got it in my Cash App portfolio. Went in at 854.46. Especially for a long term, 901 is the 52-week high. I'm gonna chart this out. Might start swing trading this one too. It's like a Buc-ee's and a Pilot. All those like sell food, gas, all that kind of stuff. Them stores where you go in it, you can't help but spend $40 just going in there looking around at the minimum. You take your family, you're gonna spend $100. I've been to the one in St. Augustine and witnessed a guy spend $600 in there. I mean, he went sharp as a military guy. I mean, he went crazy in there with his family. B said, I do this once a year. And it was during spring break. So that just passed in March. End of March, early April. Matter of fact, it was March 29th. I remember because I went to Orlando. OXLC, $9.75. Put one in at $9.75, $9.20. Pays 20 cents a share every month. Man, we looking good over here. SOFI, SoFi, 1503. It's the time to accumulate it. I'm at 1579. In case it goes back down and touch that. Got earned $4.53. Had bad earnings. Still pay 8 cents a share every month. These 50 shares that come back there. Got Whirlpool, $39.30. Right now, dividend 10.92%. I think Whirlpool catching some hell right about now. And it's also one you can buy every day, Jeppy. So it's yield. But anyway, let's go check out traps. Like you see, you got everything like the market trying to fight back, move, and push forward through this environment. Hopefully that's a good thing so I can get my swing trade on. CHMI is another nice quarterly pair, cheap one. It's at 244. 52-week low is 217s. This come down to about 225. I can do something with it. They have a sell order in. We'll get some at 244. When this thing run, I'm going to sell all of it. I'm looking at 246. To be my exit. Going at 225. Put 230. Leave that there. I can buy that every day. Dow down. You know why I clicked that. I know I'm up massively in this one. Comcast, chart that out weekly. That fell below the $25 mark yesterday. PMT waiting on this to rise back up. Okay, I must have had a sell order on my Weaver portfolio, and I had some at 1046 from yesterday that I brought at 1030. I'm at 1087. Got some plays here too. Hit a nice swing trade on that one. I got to see what's going on today, man. It seems like we got some good news from somewhere. I definitely been buying though. I've been buying these dips. One thing I can say, I'm gonna have a good year this year. Last year was good too. I made a whole lot of money on dividends last year, and I'm gonna kill it this year. And I'm gonna hit them swing trades. I got 6 months left, so definitely got to start doing that more than just using this OPM for dividends. Got to swing trade some too. Waiting on Robinhood to hit back at that $85, $90 mark. I'm gonna let it loose on that one. I'm focusing more on that the HOOW, which I did grab some shares yesterday. It's already up 1.95%. I'm at 22.24. I'm already up here. Go get that 21.81. I didn't load up because this thing could come down when Robinhood hit about $70. And Robinhood price hit about $70. That's when you want to load up on this one. When it hit that 70 and under, that's why I never loaded up. But I got a nice buy limit order sitting for like 25, 50 shares. Netflix down. 88.01. Now I know this could possibly come down some more, so I just want to monitor it here. And that's it for today, man. Like I said, that's all I'm gonna be doing, hitting these swings up. I'm gonna go get some more of this today. Ladder, please get off my screen. And that's how I'm be operating and moving. You want to get in with me, join me. I'm telling you when I'm buying and selling, but that's what I'm doing. Signing off. Go get your money.